Tree and Grass Library. Tree Library Botaniq is an ever-expanding library of optimized and realistic 3D vegetation on mostly trees and grass. It features a variety of trees, grass, flowers, weeds, ferns, ivy, palms, succulents, shrubs, plants, pots, rocks, lily pads, and garden assets for architectura. Instant Clean is a single-click mesh clean add-on for Blender, including an easy-to-use preset system. Save yourself some time by automating the mesh clean process when you import models from other software or online. Instant Clean combines every Blender mesh clean operation in one place to make the mesh clean process as easy as possible. All settings are divided into 5 categories to achieve the best overview and the option to toggle whole operation blocks at once. Conform Object. For any 3D modeler that needs to project objects onto another object surface in one action. This add-on handles the complexity of doing this for you in a non-destructive way, using the source object's location and orientation to project it onto the target object's surface. Curvify is a geometry nodes-based curve generation tool letting you make procedural, barbed wire, chains, clouds, curtains, feathers, fences x3, dangling cables, rainbows, roads, roll-along curve, rope, rivers, snow, tentacles, flow, screws, decals, vines, running stitches, trees, hedges, springs. Random Flow Addon can be used for Blender hard surface modeling like VFX film production. This add-on are for 3D modeling, and it will help you to improve your 3D modeling skill and 3D sci-fi art workflow. This Blender add-on can help you the right approach to making Blender 3D assets.